UiPath RPA Online Training. Learn from experts with Proexcellency. Introduction to RPA and UiPath. Robotic Process Automation (RPA) is a technology that allows organizations to automate repetitive, rule-based tasks and processes by using software robots or bots. These bots mimic human actions and interact with various applications and systems to perform tasks efficiently and accurately. RPA brings several benefits, including increased productivity, reduced errors, improved compliance, and cost savings. Understanding the basics of UiPath. UiPath is one of the leading RPA platforms that enable businesses to implement automation solutions effectively. It provides a comprehensive suite of tools and features to design, develop, deploy, and manage software robots. UiPath offers a visual, drag-and-drop interface that allows users to create automation workflows without the need for extensive programming knowledge. Installation and setup of UiPath Studio. To get started with UiPath, you need to install UiPath Studio, which is the primary development environment for creating automation workflows. The installation process involves downloading the UiPath installer from the UiPath website, running the installer, and following the on-screen instructions. After installation, you can launch UiPath Studio and start building your automation projects. UiPath Studio Interface and Tools. UiPath Studio provides a user-friendly interface that consists of various panels and tool windows. The main components of the interface include the ribbon, Activities panel, Properties panel, Variables panel, and Output panel. The ribbon contains tabs with different categories of tools and options, while the Activities panel offers a wide range of pre-built activities that can be dragged and dropped onto the workflow canvas. The Properties panel allows you to configure the properties of selected activities, and the Variables panel displays variables used in the workflow. The Output panel provides information and logs about the execution of the automation. Automating tasks with UiPath. UiPath allows you to automate a wide range of tasks and processes, such as data entry, report generation, web scraping, email processing, and more. To automate a task, you need to create a workflow by arranging activities on the workflow canvas. Each activity represents a specific action, such as opening an application, clicking a button, typing into a text box, or extracting data from a web page. By combining these activities and configuring their properties, you can create a sequence of steps to automate the desired task. Data manipulation and variables in UiPath. In UiPath, data manipulation plays a crucial role in automation. You can use variables to store and manipulate data during the execution of workflows. UiPath supports different data types, including strings, numbers, booleans, arrays, and data tables. You can use variables to capture input from users, store intermediate results, perform calculations, and make decisions based on data conditions. UiPath provides a range of activities and expressions to manipulate and transform data effectively. UI automation techniques in UiPath. UiPath offers various UI automation techniques to interact with applications and systems. It provides activities like click, type into, select item, and get text to simulate human actions on the user interface of applications. UiPath uses underlying technologies like computer vision, OCR, optical character recognition, and screen scraping to identify and interact with UI elements accurately. These techniques enable the bots to navigate through applications, retrieve information, fill forms, click buttons, and perform other UI-related actions. Exception handling and error management. Error handling is an essential aspect of automation development. UiPath provides built-in mechanisms for exception handling and error management. You can use try-catch blocks to handle exceptions that might occur during the execution of a workflow. The catch block allows you to define specific actions to be taken when an exception occurs, such as logging the error, retrying the operation, or notifying a user. By effectively handling exceptions, you can ensure the robustness and reliability of your automation solutions. Orchestrator in UiPath. UiPath Orchestrator is a web-based application that provides centralized control and management for your automation projects. It allows you to schedule, deploy, monitor, and manage software robots from a single platform. With Orchestrator, you can configure robots, define schedules for their execution, allocate resources, monitor their performance, and track the status of automation jobs. Orchestrator also offers features like asset management, queue management, and auditing, which enhance the scalability and governance of your automation initiatives. UiPath deployment and execution. Once you have developed an automation project in UiPath Studio, you can deploy it to various execution environments. UiPath allows you to deploy your automation projects as standalone executable files that can be executed on individual machines. You can also publish your projects to UiPath Orchestrator and execute them on multiple robots across a network. UiPath provides options for scheduling the execution of automation jobs, running them on demand, or triggering them based on specific events or conditions. Debugging and troubleshooting in UiPath. UiPath offers debugging and troubleshooting capabilities to help you identify and resolve issues in your automation projects. You can use breakpoints to pause the execution of a workflow at specific points and inspect the values of variables and properties. UiPath provides step-by-step debugging, allowing you to execute the workflow one activity at a time and observe the changes in the application state. Additionally, you can leverage logging and error handling techniques to capture detailed information about the execution flow and handle errors effectively. Best practices for UiPath development. To ensure the success of your UiPath automation projects, it is essential to follow best practices. Some of the key best practices include modularizing your workflows into reusable components, using descriptive naming conventions for activities and variables, organizing your projects using folders, and maintaining proper documentation. It is also crucial to handle exceptions gracefully, implement proper error logging, and ensure that your automation solutions are scalable, maintainable, and easily adaptable to changing requirements. UiPath certification and career opportunities. UiPath offers certification programs that validate your expertise in RPA and UiPath platform. The certifications include UiPath Certified Professional and UiPath Certified Advanced Developer, among others. Achieving UiPath certifications can enhance your career prospects and demonstrate your proficiency in building and deploying automation solutions. As RPA adoption continues to grow, there are abundant career opportunities in various industries, including finance, healthcare, manufacturing, and customer service, where organizations are actively seeking skilled UiPath professionals to drive their digital transformation initiatives. Case studies and real-world examples of UiPath implementation. There are numerous real-world examples where UiPath has been successfully implemented to automate various business processes. For instance, companies have utilized UiPath to automate invoice processing, customer onboarding, claims processing, data entry, report generation, and many other repetitive tasks. These case studies highlight the significant time and cost savings achieved through UiPath automation and the positive impact on operational efficiency and accuracy. UiPath integration with other tools and systems. UiPath provides extensive integration capabilities to connect with other tools and systems. You can integrate UiPath with databases like SQL Server, Oracle, or MySQL to retrieve or update data. UiPath also offers activities for interacting with Excel, Word, PDFs, email systems, RESTful APIs, and web services. These integrations enable seamless data exchange and process automation across different platforms and applications. UiPath community and resources. UiPath has a vibrant and active community of users and developers who share their knowledge, experiences, and best practices. The UiPath Community Forum is a valuable resource where you can ask questions, seek guidance, and collaborate with other community members. The forum also provides access to official UiPath documentation, tutorials, sample projects, and code snippets that can help you in your automation journey. Additionally, UiPath organizes local user groups and events, webinars, and training programs to foster learning and networking within the community. UiPath tips and tricks for efficient automation. Here are a few tips and tricks to enhance your efficiency in UiPath automation. Use reusable components. Modularize your workflows into reusable components or libraries to promote reusability and maintainability. This approach allows you to build automation solutions faster and reduces redundancy. Leverage templates and frameworks. Utilize templates and frameworks provided by UiPath or create your own. These templates can serve as a starting point for building automation projects, saving time and effort. Implement exception handling. Incorporate robust exception handling mechanisms in your workflows to handle errors effectively. Use try-catch blocks and logging techniques to capture and manage exceptions gracefully. Use configuration files. Store configuration settings, such as file paths, URLs, or credentials, in separate configuration files. This allows for easier maintenance and modification of these settings without modifying the workflow itself. Optimize selectors. Selectors are used to identify and interact with UI elements. Ensure that selectors are reliable and dynamic by avoiding unnecessary attributes and using wildcards or variables for dynamic values. Regularly update activities and packages. Keep your activities and packages up to date to leverage the latest features, bug fixes, and performance improvements provided by UiPath. Continuous learning and upgrades in UiPath. UiPath is a rapidly evolving platform, and it is important to stay updated with the latest advancements and features. Continuous learning is crucial for UiPath developers and practitioners. Explore UiPath Academy, which offers free online courses and certifications to enhance your skills and knowledge. Stay connected with the UiPath community forum, blogs, webinars, and other resources to keep up with the latest trends and best practices. Additionally, regularly upgrade your UiPath Studio and associated components to benefit from the latest updates and improvements. UiPath Advanced Topics and Future Developments. As UiPath continues to evolve, several advanced topics and future developments are worth exploring. These include machine learning and AI capabilities for intelligent automation, process mining for identifying automation opportunities, integration with chatbots and virtual assistants, and cloud-based deployment options. UiPath is also investing in low-code and no-code solutions to empower business users to create their own automations. Exploring these advanced topics can enable you to leverage the full potential of UiPath and drive innovation in your automation initiatives. Why do you choose Proexcellency for UiPath RPA online training? Reputation and experience. Look for a training provider with a good reputation and a track record of delivering high-quality training. Check reviews and testimonials from past participants to get an idea of their experience. Course content and curriculum. Evaluate the course content and curriculum offered by the training provider. Ensure that it covers all the essential topics and aligns with your learning goals and requirements. A comprehensive and well-structured curriculum will provide you with a solid foundation in UiPath RPA. Trainer expertise. Consider the expertise and experience of the trainers who will be conducting the training. They should have a strong background in UiPath RPA and practical experience in implementing automation projects. Look for trainers who are UiPath certified and have real-world industry experience. Hands-on practice and projects. Practical hands-on experience is crucial for mastering UiPath RPA. Ensure that the training program includes opportunities for hands-on practice with UiPath Studio and real-life projects. Practical exercises and case studies will help you apply your knowledge and build your skills. Certification preparation. If you plan to pursue UiPath certifications, check if the training provider offers dedicated preparation for the certification exams. A comprehensive training program should include mock exams, practice questions, and guidance to help you prepare for the certification exams. Support and assistance. Consider the level of support and assistance provided by the training provider. Do they offer post-training support or a community forum where you can ask questions and seek guidance? A supportive learning environment can enhance your learning experience and help you overcome any challenges you may face. Flexibility and accessibility. Evaluate the flexibility and accessibility of the training program. Does the training provider offer online classes that can be accessed from anywhere? Are the training materials available for reference even after the completion of the course? These factors can ensure that you can access the training resources at your convenience. Cost. Consider the cost of the training program and compare it with the value and benefits it provides. While cost is a factor, it should not be the sole determining factor. Focus on the quality of the training and the skills you will gain rather than solely on the price. Connect with us. +9 18722079509, +9 908 906809. Afan@proexcellency.com. info@proexcellency.com. www.proexcellency.com. Thanks for watching.